This is the HeatSign HS-PFL10S handheld laser marking machine. Sleek, compact, and built for high-precision marking. To begin, plug in the HS-PFL10S and press the power button to turn it on. Insert a USB drive to import your logo. Access the file by selecting Picture from the touchscreen menu. Select the filling method and adjust the logo size. To create text, select text from the main menu. Enter your desired content and adjust the font, size, and alignment as needed. For serial numbers, navigate to variable n. Set the starting value and increment. The HS-PFL10S will automatically update for each mark. Choose QR code from the menu. Input data. To generate a barcode or QR code, select the appropriate option. Input the data, and the code will be ready for marking. Optimize your marking by adjusting power, speed, and frequency. Fine-tune the parameters for different materials to ensure the best results. Position the HS-PFL10S over the material and press Start to initiate marking. Experience fast, precise, and clean results in seconds. The final result is crisp, professional, and permanent, delivering reliable quality for all your marking needs.